Hello everyone. I'm working on a 10 by 10 cradled panel today that had some blue and purple and green underpainting, and I have covered it with a layer of asphaltum and a little bit of a touch of warm white was mixed into it. And I'm going to begin layering some new color on top of this. It is still tacky, so we will see how it works. I'm sure I will have some blending, but that's always a challenge and fun to work with. Thanks for joining me today. Let's paint. I was adding some layers over top of this, and I decided that remembering the color that was underneath, which was blues and greens, and I think there was maybe a touch of purple underneath, I wanted to bring some of that back out in the way of mark making and lyrical lines. So I lifted the color with the Gamsoil, and I really like this effect. It sort of has a weathered patina look about it, and I think I'm going to stop and let this dry. I'm really happy with where this piece has gotten in a very short amount of time working on it. I may do a little bit of scratching here because there is some purple that is coming through in that area and some of the green, just to allow a little bit more of that history. And so I really like where it is, and I am going to let it dry. Thank you so much for joining me, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and leave any comments below. Until next time, everyone.